How to use karaoke on Spotify. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use karaoke on Spotify. To use karaoke on Spotify, first of all, you will need to ensure that you have the latest version of Spotify app installed on your device. Also, karaoke mode is available to all users including those with free accounts, but it may not be rolled out universally yet. You will need to open your Spotify application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, now you will need to find the song to play. You may also tap on the search icon at the bottom, and in the space at the search bar, you can type in the name of the song you are looking for. Once you find the song, here you will need to tap on this play button at the right side and then it will start playing. Once it starts playing, you will need to tap on this now playing bar at the bottom. And once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down. At the bottom, you'll be able to see this lyrics screen. Here tap on this show lyrics button below and this will display you the lyrics screen. Here this feature goes one step further than simply displaying the lyrics and changing color as the song progresses. Here in my region, karaoke mode is not yet supported, so I am not able to proceed further. But if it is available in your region, you will be able to see Sing button which appears as a microphone icon in the top right corner of the lyrics screen. You will need to simply tap on it to enter the karaoke mode. Once you are in the karaoke mode, your device will use its microphone to analyze your singing. The original artist's vocals will be lowered or muted, allowing you to sing along with the instrumental version. After you finish the song, the Spotify will provide a score from 0 to 100 based on how accurately you matched the pitch and tone of the original song. If you don't have access to karaoke mode, you can still start playing the chosen song and follow along with the lyrics displayed on your screen. Also note that not all songs have this feature. It's more commonly available for those that are popular. So by following these steps, you should be able to use karaoke mode on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.